Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily get Cash App to stop blocking payments. So let's jump right into it. Let's launch the app, and of course you have to be logged into your account. Now for the first step, tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture. Now in this screen we need to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right here you find the support option. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. Now again, in the support screen, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom once again. Now tap on chat 24/7. Now we need to tell or talk to their support team about this issue to make sure that there is no issue that you don't know about in your account. Now after that, you can go ahead and do something else. In the main screen again, go ahead and tap here on your profile picture. This time we won't scroll down. This time tap on personal to verify that all of your personal information is correct, because if something is wrong here, that might lead to your account being kind of suspicious or shady, and that will block payments. And that's how you basically fix that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.